I got back home and the lashes was lifted. I said, now, why ain't nobody tell me? Why ain't nobody tell me? And this is why I got trust issues. Guess who's back with another lash glue video? If you have not checked out my last lash glue video, make sure you check that out. Okay, I did Kiss versus Duo about 2 to 3 years ago. And now I'm back with an update, y'all. We gonna do something a little different today, okay? We're comparing today is Lilly Lashes Lash Glue. They have over 1,000 5-star reviews on their website. And the Eye Envy by Kiss Lash Glue, which has over 25,000 reviews on Amazon. So we about to see which one does the thing, okay? Does the thing for these lashes, okay? This Kiss claims that it's a super strong hold. It's a super strong hold. People have been saying, oh, my lashes be staying on for days. How do I get my lashes off when they've used this product? Now, it's a few years later, so I am better at putting lashes on. So y'all, let's get it started. Let's get it started. So I have some fresh lashes from my homegirl. She got these from the hair show. So I wanted to make sure I use lashes today that have no prior glue, no use at all. And I'm just gonna pick a pair. These are all gonna be dramatic, y'all. I'm just letting y'all know now. All of these are giving dramatic. So I'm gonna go with these down here. We gonna get it for her. It's the remix track star. I like the way you do that lash there, lash there. It's giving left lash energy, okay? So for the left lash, we're gonna do the Lilly Lashes glue. Let's see. Brush on lash adhesive, which really just means lash glue. I guess that's kind of like my sunglasses line. I call it stylish protective eyewear, but all I got is sunglasses right now. Don't worry, we'll come out with some blue light lenses and some personality lenses. Anyway, the packaging is so cute. Very simple, white and gold. Here we go. All right, let me concentrate because I'm still not let me concentrate. Still not the best at this. Okay, so here's the lash, and all you do is you take your brush and you just apply the adhesive along the lash line. I'm ambidextrous, but to put on lash glue, I'm using my left hand, which is the hand I write with. But I do a lot of things with my right hand, as you can see. You'll see me apply the lash on my right hand. Now, I am gonna put a little bit more glue in the corner because that's where it gets a little iffy for me. You know what I'm saying? Get a little strange. Get a little strange for me. It's like the eyelash is literally doing something strange and I ain't giving it no change. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry for about, we're gonna try like maybe, let's do 45 seconds to a minute. What I can say about this glue is it goes on very watery. You know what I'm saying? It's very like liquidy, but we'll see. So I'll be back, let it dry for a minute. Hold on, y'all, I need to read directions. It says brush on latex-free, quick dry. Directions: apply adhesive to lash band, allow adhesive to become tacky, place band as close to the lash line, secure ends for maximum result, repeat for second lash. But if it says quick dry, does it really need a minute? It's too late. It's already been a minute. Okay, y'all, so let's get this lash on. Do my best here. Do my best. Y'all making me nervous. Y'all are making me so nervous. I just want to get this on. You know, I got real curly lashes, so it's not giving. It's already not giving. It's already not participating with me. Come on. Sometimes I just gotta let that go and use my handy dandy fingers to place this lash as close to the lash line as possible. Let's see, is that even? No, I want it to come. Why this part, it just really don't be wanting to go on. Every time I put on my lashes. Okay, maybe I should bring them down a little further. Okay, y'all. Okay, so why is this still not sticking here? Woo, these lashes are so daggone big. These lashes are so daggone big. But this is for demonstration purposes only because we're testing out the lash glue. So let's not judge the lashes. We're here to talk about the lash glue and how sticky, icky, icky, ooh, ooh, sticky, icky, icky, ooh, ooh, how sticky it gets, okay? I'm feeling the stick though. Pull out the stick. Wonder who's gonna deal with me. Who's gonna deal with me? Because this behavior is really out of control. All right, y'all. I feel like we in there. Get in there. Yeah, yeah. Just this last part. See, I'm going off the camera and stuff. Jesus. I hope I wasn't off camera earlier. Sorry, y'all, if I was. All right. So that's on. I think. Trying to get this end piece, y'all. Okay. Here we go. This is the Lilly side, okay? It's on there. It's on there. We're going to let it sit on there. All right, so now we're going to do our Eye Envy by Kiss, the Super Strong Hold. So this one says wait 15 to 20 seconds until the glue gets tacky. Y'all, I don't know what the real time is to wait to put on lashes. But we out here just making it do what it do. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Y'all, Jamie Foxx was a whole singer out here. A whole singer. See, we thought he was just living color. We thought he was just a comedian. He was just funny. That man, a whole singer. A little plastic. So what we do on one side, we're gonna do to the other. So here goes our lash, right? And we're just applying the glue to the band. Try that the bando. God bless it. God bless it. Okay. And take your time. Like, it's no rush. If you got to go back and dip in like me and you're a little slow like me, hey, it's okay. Don't let these folks on the internet rush you and tell you you should be able to do it in one swipe, okay? You want to come back and do it multiple times because your hand not that steady, then you do that. You do what works for you in life. Don't let the internet rush you. Okay? So I'm gonna still give this at least 30 seconds of dry time because they not about to play me and I'm about to be looking crazy on camera because I waited only 15 to 20 seconds and I'm over here struggling and y'all like, does she know how to do lashes or not? I feel like once I get it in the middle, I can work with the rest of the ends. Just doing my best here, y'all. My natural lashes are so curly. I'm just trying to get it, the lash line, as close to my lash line as possible. I'm like pressing it down to get in there. Yeah, get in there. Okay, I feel like it's see a little gap. So I'm trying to close the gap, y'all. Let's see. Okay, that's looking better, y'all. That's looking better. Now, I'm gonna let this sit for a second, not touch it, and see how it dries. And I'm gonna come back in like 2 minutes. Hey y'all, I am back and it is about 4.5 hours later. I'm gonna go eat me something. Y'all, I had a good vegan meal. Make sure you follow my channel so that you can see all my lifestyle content. I love cooking vegan meals. Also, travel vlogs, beauty product reviews, all the things. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video. And comment below on what you think about these lashes and this look that I put together, okay? All right, moving on. All right, y'all, so let's see. Let's see, I haven't had no issues. Let's see, are any of them a little loose? You're loose. You're loose. Oh, well, a little bit in the center, both of them. That's both of them. You can't just be pulling on them like crazy. Okay. Just don't pull on your lashes. But obviously I did some pulling and they're both still intact. So y'all. Okay, this was the Kiss one. That came off pretty easy. And so did the Lilly one. They both came off pretty easy. What was these folks talking about? That the super strong hold, that it was super strong. I didn't use too much. Maybe I was supposed to use more than what I put on, but I don't think you're supposed to use that much. As we saw, either one of these products work. I don't have anything negative to say about either one of them, okay? They both serve their purpose. The eyelashes were on. Maybe I'll use a little bit more glue next time. So I think it really all depends on your budget. For the Eye Envy Kiss Super Stronghold, I got 2 for $7.59. For the Lilly Lashes, I got 1 for about $12.50. So if you want to save some money, go ahead and get the Kiss. If you don't mind spending a little bit more money, I don't know what the purpose of spending more money would be, honestly. But hey, if that's your fancy, maybe you like the style of the packaging with Lilly better than spending $12.50. So it's up to you, y'all. It's really up to you. That is my review on these lash glues. I'm gonna keep both of them because that's how I rock and roll. I always need lash glue. I think it's good when you are out and you're on the go, take your lash glue with you, because I done had too many instances where I done got back home and the lashes was lifted. I said, now, why ain't nobody tell me? And this is why I got trust issues. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Comment below if there's another lash glue that y'all recommend. That's neither one of these. Comment below, let me know. Try it out. Let's talk about it. What's your favorite lash glue? All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.